welcome to another one of my grifter cleanup videos. Today I've just got a little pot full of various bits and pieces. There's a set of 3 cable clips that hold the gear cable to the frame. As you can see, there could do with a good clean. There's a third one. I also have the fulcrum clip which sets the gear cable tension, and a few other bits and pieces. Now, due to the success of last time's clean up with the brake levers, I'm just going to do exactly the same with these. Cover them in a drop of vinegar, which all comes from the same bottle. The only difference with it this time is I need to put them away for 48 hours because I won't have time to do anything at all tomorrow, which is why I'm doing today for the day after. Okay, so we'll come back in a couple of days and they will be nice and clean, hopefully. See you soon. Right, here we are, 48 hours later. I mean, now open the lid of the gear cable clips, soaked in vinegar for 48 hours. And I don't know if you can quite see that, but that is rubbing off quite nicely. The fulcrum clip still looks a bit grubby until you rub it, so that all needs a good rub down. Not sure what else I had in here, but there was definitely some. That's looking almost like new, as is that one. It's just that one there needs a bit of a good rub down, and a few other little nuts and bolts. Yep, they all look good to me. So I'll give these a strain off and rinse the dish out. As we can see, on the whole, not too bad. A good rub down in a moment or two will give good results, I'm sure. So once I've done that, I will come back and show you. Back again after a quick rub down, and you can really see a difference in that fulcrum clip. You can see the nice S for Sturmey-Archer on there. The gear cable clips are looking so much better. We'll just need a bit of a polish on all these parts now, and they will gleam again. In fact, knowing what the state of the rest of the bike is like, these parts, along with the other bits of chrome that I've already cleaned on previous videos, and will make the bike, will show the rest of the bike up. But you know what, I think that's what it's all about, isn't it? Spending hours cleaning, make them shiny. So that's that. We'll put a polish on them, clean them all up, stick them away until we're ready to rebuild. Until the next video, thanks for watching and goodbye.